We provide technology in buildings. Everything from structured cabling to audio-visual services, meaning the build-out of boardrooms, meeting spaces, in-building wireless. So everything you see when you walk into a building that is connected to the network, that's what we're installing, that's what we're connecting.
It's our job to make the client's job easier, and that's what we do.
We have a saying here, it's safety always, so we don't take any shortcuts.
ComNet ensures a safe workplace with a lot of training. We do a lot of lift training, we do outside plant training, confined space training.
Just like the safety has its steps, quality has its steps also, right?
Quality. That's me. I take pride in my work. Operation manager and assistant operation manager come to jobs, go over everything, make sure everything's done right. So they're up on their quality.
But we're constantly having walkthroughs, making sure that the guys out in the field are doing the proper installations, that we're following code.
Once the project is done and the customer's happy, that's the best part. And I try to teach my apprentice as well, that always take that next step and do the right thing. Even when people aren't looking, always do the right thing.
And then of course we have manufacturer certifications and stuff like that, you know, a lot of times those manufacturers will go visit job sites and stuff like that as well to verify the quality of work that ComNet's doing.
Quality is very important to ComNet, and that's what leads to repeat business.
We are an extremely customer-centric company. Everything we do revolves around the customer. Everything we put in place revolves around how we can deliver a successful product and installation to our customers.
Anybody out there who is looking for the services that we provide, please feel free to reach out to info@comnetcom.com or give us a call here, and we'll be sure to point you in the right direction and get you the help you need.